Today we are going to learn a new lesson. Lesson's name is 3 questions, which is written by well-known Russian novelist as well as moral thinker, moral philosopher. Philosopher's name is Count Leo Tolstoy. Now we are going to learn about Count Leo Tolstoy. Who was Count Leo Tolstoy? What was his contribution to English literature to enrich? Now we are going to learn. His birth date was on 9 September 1828 in Russia. He has written so many novels, so many short stories, plays as well as philosophical essays. His writing style was very simple. He described the picture of the rural area in his novels. His notable literary works. What are his notable literary works? Now we are going to learn. He was very famous due to his one novel. Novel's name is War and Peace. War and Peace, which is published in 1869. It is the first notable literary work of Leo Tolstoy. Next one is that Anna Karenina. Anna Karenina, which is published in 1878. Next literary work, The Death of Ivan Ilyich. Such a book which is published in 1886. Next notable work, Family Happiness. Family Happiness, which is published in 1859. Next one, Haji Murad, which is published in 1912. Next one, The Kingdom of God is Within You. The Kingdom of God is Within You. This literary work, which is published in 1894. And at last, he passed away at the age of 82 years old. His death was on 7th November 1910 in Russia. It is a little bit introductions about Count Leo Tolstoy. Now we are going to learn the title of our prose, title of our lesson. Lesson's name is, titles is that 3 questions. 3 questions. What are the 3 questions? Now we are going to learn. The first question is, what is the right time to do something, to begin something? It is the first question. Second question, who should a king listen to? Who should a king listen to? Question number 2. And question number 3, what is the most important thing for a king to do? It means that in our prose there are 3 questions, and now here one character's name is, that is a king. Character's name is King. King had such the 3 questions. And now here the king was trying to find out its answer. He could not get 3 questions answer, and such a 3 questions came in his mind, but he did not know answers. He did not know answers about the 3 questions, and so that's why he went one place to another place. He went to one place to another place to find out its answer. And so that's why, as a human being, we are going to think about that 3 points. And such a 3 points are mentioned in your warm-up activity or pre-reading activity or before you read. What are the 3 points? What are the 3 points we will highlight? 3 points are the best time to do something. If you want to do something, we need best time. So as a human being, you must know your best time to do something. So it is the first point is that. Second one is that the most important person in your life. The most important person in your life, you must know that. And then third point is that the most important thing to do in your life. Means the best time you should choose, the best time to do something. You must know that you should choose that is the most person in your life, and you should choose the most thing in your life. These 3 things are very important in your life. And so here, like that, king also had such the 3 questions, and now here our king was trying to find out its answer. So that's why he wandered one place to another place to find out its answer. Such the story. Now our king, how he was searching such the questions answer. And now here its answer, or where he went, where did he go, everything which is mentioned in our lesson. And now we are going to learn a lesson. Lesson's name is 3 questions, which is written by Count Leo Tolstoy. Count Leo Tolstoy. A king has 3 questions and he is seeking answer to them. What are the questions? Does the king get what he wants? Read to find out. Such a lines which is given in a bracket. And already we know that the major character which is mentioned in our approach lesson, that is our king. And now here, a king has 3 questions. You try to understand. King has 3 questions. Major character. 3 questions. He had such a 3 questions. He is seeking. He was searching. He was seeking answer to them. He wanted its answer. 3 questions answer. So that's why he wandered one place to another. Did he get? We don't know. Did he get 3 questions answer? We don't know. Now we are going to read on such a lesson, and then we will get its answer. Now we are going to find out its answer. After reading this lesson, after studying this lesson, we will get. And so here, what are the 3 questions? Already I have read 3 questions. And 3 questions is based on the 3 points. The best time, best person or the important person in your life, and the most important thing, such as the 3 questions are based on that, the 3 points. And so here, what are the 3 questions? Does the king get what he wants? Did he get all the questions answered? We don't know. Now we are going to find out. As a reader, we are going to find out its answer. So that's why I read to find out, and read on such other lessons will get its answer. Now we concentrate on paragraph number 1st. The thought came to a certain king that he would never fall if he knew 3 things. The first one, what is the right time to begin something? Second one is that, who should a king listen to? And question number 3, what is the most important thing for a king to do? There are the 3 questions came to our certain king, but he did not know its answer. The king therefore sent a messenger throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum to anyone who would answer these 3 questions. Many wise men came to the king, but they all answered his questions differently. The thought, which thought came in his mind, king's mind? There are the 3 questions. There are 3 questions, means the thought, such as the thought came in his mind, that is the king's mind. The thought came to a certain king that he would never fail. He would never fail if he knew the 3 things. As a human being, you must know the 3 things. You would not fail. You would never fail in your life also. You will never fail in your life also. When? If you know that is the 3 points. You also, as a human being, as a reader, you also should find out 3 points. 3 points answer. You will get its answer. So in your life also, you would never fail. You would never fail. The thought came to a certain king and that he would never fail if he knew the 3 things. What are the 3 things? What are the 3 questions? Now we are going to read. The first one, what is the right time to begin something? कोणतंही कार्य करताना कोणता असा चांगला वेळ म्हणतो आपण सिलेक्ट केला पाहिजेत. म्हणजे कार्याची सुरुवात चांगल्या वेळेने झाली पाहिजेत किंवा चांगल्या वेळेतच ते कार्य केलं पाहिजेत. मग ते कधी करावं केव्हा करावं हे ठरवून घेतलं पाहिजेत. What is the right time to begin something? It is the first question. Second question is that, what is the second question? Who should a king listen to? Who should a king listen to? Means what is your? That is the most important person in your life. राजाने ते कुणाचं ऐकावं? केव्हा ऐकणार? जेव्हा राजानं आपल्या जीवनातला चांगला माणूस शोधला तरच तो काय सांगेल ते राजा ऐकत जाईल. So that's why, who should the king listen to? And now here we are going to learn, that is the third question. What is the most important thing? What is the most important thing for a king to do? आणि कोणती अशी गोष्ट आहे ती गोष्ट राजासाठी महत्त्वाची आहे एखादी कृती करायला. आणि म्हणून एखादी कृती करण्यासाठी राजाला अशी कोणती गोष्ट माहिती असणं गरजेचं आहे की तो राजा व्यवस्थित करू शकेल. What is the most important thing for a king to do? Such as the 3 questions, 3 thoughts came in his mind. And now here our king was seeking. Seeking means शोधणे. King was seeking 3 questions answer. 3 questions answer. And so here you see, the king therefore म्हणून king therefore sent messengers throughout his kingdom. Messengers, निरोप्या. आणि म्हणून त्याला त्या प्रश्नाचे उत्तर ही डिड नॉट गेट इट्स 3 questions answer, and so that's why he sent messenger throughout his kingdom. आणि आपल्या राज्यामध्ये या मेसेंजर्सना काय केलंय, त्यानं पाठवलेलं आहे. He sent such the messengers throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum, S-U-M, not S-O-M-E. S-U-M, sum means that is a amount. Sum means what here? Amount. S-U-M, sum means amount, and S-O-M-E means kahi. S-U-M, sum means amount, and now here promising a large sum to anyone who would answer these 3 questions, who will give 3 questions answer. Our king was ready to give a large amount to the person, one who gives its answers. He had given such an offer to a person in his kingdom, one who gives its answer, 3 questions answer. And so that's why such the message he sent through the messengers throughout in his kingdom. And so here many wise men came to the king. Many wise men, आणि म्हणून काही हुशार लोक या 3 प्रश्नांची उत्तर शोधण्यासाठी प्रयत्न करायला लागलेत, कारण राजानं जो कोणी 3 प्रश्नांची उत्तर शोधेल त्याला काहीतरी असं मोठं बक्षीस तो देणार होता. And so that's why yes, many wise men, हुशार लोक, wise men came to the king with answers of the 3 questions, but they all answered his questions differently. So many wise men came to the king with answers in their own way, but all answers are different. But the king was totally confused. Why? Because he got the different answers about that 3 questions. He did not get the exact answer. So that's why he was totally confused. He did not get the proper answer, correct answer. And so here he was the puzzle. He was confused. In a reply to the first question, some said the king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly. Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. The king should do whatever seemed necessary at that time. Yet others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. But then the others said that there were something which could be urgent. In a reply to the first question, what is the first question? The first question is that what is the right time to begin something? What is the right time to begin something? It is the first question. And all the wise men came with the answers of that the first question, second question, third question. First question, second question, and third question. And now here, in a reply to the first question, means now the question and answer session was going on here. First, yes, questions, answer, and now here we are going to highlight on the questions. Questions answer. In a reply to the first question, some wise men said that, काही हुशार लोक सांगतात काय, the king must prepare a timetable. Yes, they suggested, wise men suggested to that our king must prepare a timetable. आणि मग राजानं काय केलं पाहिजे, असं उत्कृष्टरित्या टाइम टेबल तयार केलं पाहिजे, असं काही वाईज मेन्स, काही हुशार लोकांचं, काही तज्ञांचं मत होतं. Yes, some wise men said that the king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly, and the year then follow it strictly. It means what? Timetable, which is prepared by our king. They suggested. It was answer of that the some wise men. Others wise men, what was the opinion of others? What was the answer of that other wise men? Now we are going to learn. Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. दुसऱ्या लोकांचं समत होतं की भविष्य काळात आपल्याला चांगला टाइम कोणता हे आपल्याला ठरवता येणार नाही. It was impossible to decide the right time in future. It was impossible. Why? Because we don't know our future. We don't know the future time. We don't know. And so that's why others said that it was impossible. मग ते शक्यच नाही. It was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. It was impossible in advance to decide a proper time in future. It was impossible. Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. The king should, next one is that the king should do whatever seemed necessary at that time, and the king also should do whatever seemed necessary at that time. So means this is the one. Yet others said that, what was the opinion of others? What was the opinion of others, other wise men? Now we are going to learn. Others said that, आणखी दुसऱ्यांचं काय मत होतं? Others said that, कारण अनेक लोक, अनेक हुशार लोक तिथे आलेले आहेत उत्तर घेऊन. पहिल्या प्रश्नाचं उत्तर सुरू आहे. आता पहिला प्रश्न आपल्याला माहिती आहे. What is the right time to begin something? It is first question, and now we are going to reply or answer of that the first question. Which is a right time? And now others said that, other wise men said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. What was the opinion of the wise men? The opinion of other wise men is like that the king needed a council of wise men, like courtiers, ministers, council of ministers, council of courtiers. He needed, according to wise men. They suggested. Wise men suggested, wise men answered like that. King needed a council of wise men. आणि हुशार लोकांचं सल्लागार मंडळ किंवा आपण त्याला मंत्रिमंडळ म्हणतो, हे मंत्रिमंडळ असणं गरजेचं आहे की जेणेकरून हे मंत्रिमंडळ राजाला कोणता उचित टाइम आहे, योग्य टाइम आहे हे दर्शवतील, सांगतील आणि त्यानुसार राजानं कोणतं तरी कार्य करावं अशा पद्धतीचा सल्ला ते देत आहेत. Now the king needed council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. And here maybe they suggested council of wise men, council of ministers, council of courtiers, suggested to our king to give a right time to our king to do something, or to begin something like that. To begin something means such are the questions which is a mention, or such are the answer which is a mention in it. The king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at that proper time. But then others said that, other wise men said that there were some things which could be urgent. Sometimes the urgent things are there. It was impossible to decide that the right time, it is the right time, it is not right time. Yes, it is impossible. आणि मग जर असं अर्जंटच्या वेळेला आपण मंत्रिमंडळाचा सल्ला घेणे हे योग्य नसतं. फॉर एक्झाम्पल एखादा ॲक्सिडेंट झाला तर आपण मंत्रिमंडळाचा सल्ला घेऊन तिकडे आपण मदत करायला धावू शकत नाही. ऑन दी स्पॉट आपल्याला जसं वाटतं तसं ते आपल्या विचारानं त्यांना मदत करावं लागतं. आणि म्हणून वी आर ॲट दॅट टाइम वी आर नॉट डिपेंडेड ऑन दॅट द council or the suggestions of that the courtiers or the ministers. No, nothing. Or the wise men. No, nothing. So here that there were the some things which could be, that is urgent. These things could not wait for the decision of the council. In order to decide the right time for doing something, it is a necessary to look into the future, and only the magician could to do that. The king therefore would have to go to magicians. And so here it was at that time in urgency. At the time of urgency, we could not take a decision of that the councils or the suggestion of a council of wise men. It was impossible at the time of urgency. So here these things could not wait for a decision of the council. Yes, it is impossible. These things could not wait for a decision of the council in order to decide the right time for doing something. In order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future. It is necessary to look into the future. Sometimes we must know the future also. So here it is necessary to look into the future, and only the magician could do that. कधी कधी आपल्याला फ्युचरातल्या गोष्टी पाहाव्याशा वाटतात. हे घडेल ते घडेल असं काही कधी म्हणू शकतो, आणि हे आपल्याला कधी कधी शक्य नसतं. आणि हे कुणाला शक्य असतं तर जे मॅजिशियन सारखे असतात, जादूगार असतात, हे मॅजिशियन सारखी जी लोक असतात तेच काहीतरी ते करू शकतात. त्यांनाच काहीतरी फ्युचर कळतो, त्यांनाच काहीतरी भविष्यकाळ कळतो, भविष्य कळतं असं आपला काही वेळेला म्हणजे दृष्टिकोन असतो. आणि म्हणून ती लोक सुद्धा तशी म्हणतात की आपल्याला ते कळणार नाही, तर कुणाला कळू शकतं तर ते चांगल्या पद्धतीने मॅजिशियनला कळू शकतं. मॅजिशियन, दॅट इज अ मॅजिशियन कुड डू दॅट. मॅजिशियन लुक इनटू दॅट द फ्युचर. Look into that the future. The king therefore would have go to the magician. They suggested the wise men, and so that's why it was impossible to king to look into the future, and so that's why it was possible only and only for magician. Magician could do anything. It was impossible to our king to look into the future or to see the future. It was impossible to that our king or the common person. It was possible only and only for that magician, because they knew the future. They looked into the future, and so that's why it was only possible for our that magician, not our king. According to that, the wise men, they answered like that. In their answers to the second question, now we are going to learn second question's answer. Replies of the second questions. Replies of a second questions. What is the second question? Now we are going to learn here. The second question is that who should a king listen to? Who should a king listen to? It is the second question, and now here wise men came with answer of that the second questions. Who should a king listen to? Who should a king listen to? They came with the answer. Wise men came with the second question's answer. Now we are going to learn. You see, in their answer to the second question, some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselor. Others said priest. The few other chose a question: who should a king listen to? It is the second question. What was the answer of that the wise men? Now we are going to learn. In there the answer to the second question, some said that means some wise men said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors. The people most necessary to the king were his counselors. Means here king must have a counselors. आणि या राजानं काउन्सलर म्हणजे राजाकडे काउन्सलर्स असले पाहिजेत, समुपदेशक असले पाहिजेत, सल्लागार असले पाहिजेत, मदत करणारे जे मदतनीस म्हणतो ते असले पाहिजेत. मग तो त्यांचं मत राजा ऐकेल आणि त्या पद्धतीने एखादी कृती केली जाईल. And so here some wise men said that people most necessary to the king were his counselor. Others said that he must have, that is a priest, म्हणजे priest असला पाहिजे त्याच्या जीवनामध्ये. priest एखादा धर्मगुरू म्हणतो, हा धर्मगुरू असला पाहिजे, priest असला पाहिजे. Or few others chose doctors. Few other counselor, that is a wise man said that he had such that is a doctors. And yet others said that his soldiers were the most necessary in his life. Soldiers, some said that doctor, some said that priest, some said that is a counselor, and at last few other said that, other wise men said that soldier were the most necessary or most important person in his life. Means there are so many different types of the replies of a second questions we will get in that the paragraph. And now we are going to learn what are the replies of what are the answers of that the third question which was given by wise men. And what is the third question? Now we are going to learn. Third question is that what is the most important thing for a king to do? What is the most important thing for a king to do? It is a third question, and now here we are going to learn the answers of that the third question. To the third question, some said attack, others chose a fight, and others religious worship here. Means that now once again we will highlight on, that is the third question, what is the most important thing. The replies are like that. Some wise men said that to attack, आपण अटॅक केलं पाहिजे. The others chose that to fight to each other. Other, that is a choice, and other also, that is to religious, to chant or to religious worship, to do religious worship. म्हणजे धार्मिक पूजा तुम्ही केली पाहिजे असं काहींचं मत, काही नाही अटॅक म्हणजे हल्ला करा किंवा एखाद्याशी भांडा, टू फाईट, अशा पद्धतीचा सल्ला या वाईज मॅनने दिलेला आहे. And means the replies, the questions, 3 questions, and the here and the other side the replies, such as the replies which was given by the wise man. And so all the wise men in his kingdom came with 3 questions answer, but the questions answers are different answer. Our king did not get a proper answer about that the questions, each question, and so that's why our king was totally confused. आणि हा अशी वेगवेगळी उत्तर असल्यामुळं राजानं कोणतं सिलेक्ट करावं, प्रत्येक प्रश्नाचं उत्तर जे आहे ते कोणतं सिलेक्ट करावं हा राजासमोरचा प्रश्न आहे. And so that's why he was totally confused, he was totally puzzled. So here now here we concentrate on the next. As the answer to his questions were so different, the king was not satisfied. Yes, already I said that. Yes, he was not satisfied. Our king was not satisfied because he could not get a proper answer. He could not get a proper answer, and so that's why he was not satisfied. As the answer to his questions were so different, the king was not satisfied. He decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit, and at last he decided to take a decision or to take advice from the certain hermit. Hermit means that is the dharma guru. किंवा आपण साधू म्हणतो त्याला, monk like that, saint like that, sant, monk, hermit, he sadhu is that. The hermit means that is a sadhu. Yes, he decided to seek the advice of a certain the hermit who was widely known for his wisdom, and he was very famous for his own wisdom, and so that's why at last he decided. He was confused. He was not satisfied with all answers of the questions which was given by the wise men, and so that's why at last he decided to go to the hermit to find out 3 questions answer. We'll see the next part in the next period. Thank you very much.